What's your name?
I'm Senya. What's your name?
I'm from Nepal, Ram. My name is Ram.
Ram?
Ram.
Ah, nice. So, you can start here for my colleague, okay? Enjoy. Thank you. Bye.
Hi,
Hi, sir.
welcome. There was Pavilion. Please choose the language.
English language, okay? For this card?
We can change the country later.
Okay, okay.
Okay? Okay, now we can change the country.
Okay.
We can,
Yes.
yeah, perfect. Okay. So this is your name tag. Please wear this around your neck all the time.
Okay.
And please return it at the end of the exhibition. Have a nice experience.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So, कार्ड लिइसकेको छ हामी फाइनली जर्मनीको प्याभिलियन लिइसकेको छौँ
Made it. I know, long time waiting. Please. Finally made it. Come in.
We came along. Seemingly within the blink of an eye, mankind took the stage. And we began to shape the planet ourselves, fitting it best to our needs. Which is why we call this era the Anthropocene. The age of humankind. Unfortunately, some of our plans had no regard for other creatures or the planet itself. Today, our leading role and our impact raise a lot of questions. How will we generate our energy in the future? How will we protect the biodiversity? And in what kind of cities do we want to live? Campus Germany invites you to get to know the answers. Connect your minds and immerse yourself in 100,000 ideas for a better future.
Welcome to Germany by numbers. Feel free to go into the ball pit.
Now we need.
ओके गाइज हामी चाहिँ यतिको जर्मनीको जो प्याभिलियन भित्र छ एकदमै रमाइलो भएर चाहिँ एकदमै यो चाहिँ बबल्स हुँदैछ होइन एकदमै रमाइलो एकदमै फन अ लट अफ फन एकदमै है बाबा ओके गाइस
the Brennable.
Everyone's coming.
एकदमै अलट अफ फन होइन यो जर्मनीको पेभिलियन भित्र हामी एकदमै रमाइलो गर्ने ठाउँ रहेछ होइन तपाईँ बच्चाहरूको लागि प्लस म पनि रमाएँ है
With the camera.
Yeah, what about this meaning? I don't know this bubbles.
My colleague can help you better with this. Oh, hi. I can see myself. What should I
Can you tell me about these bubbles?
Oh, so these this is Germany by numbers, and each ball will tell a different story for a sustainable way of living in Germany. So we have 100 different ideas. Okay? And you can put the ball into the holes, and each ball will tell you a different story. 100,000 ideas. Okay? Enjoy German Pavilion.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Bye.
Put one here.
What happens?
Made of organic material instead of rare materials, and you can also produce it in a transparent way, so you can put it on windows, and because it's that flexible you can put it on any shape, or most of shapes. Is it?
Not commercial?
It is commercial, but it's a very small company at the moment, so because it's a new. This is just to demonstrate how it's done. Yeah. The like 1.0 transformation. Rose. Yeah, it's a German company.
No power.
Yes, yes. Very good. A little bit more. Not down yet. More. Yes. Perfect. Very good.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Please do not swing until you are invited to do so. Please remain.
Hi everybody, and welcome to the graduation hall. Your journey is almost complete.
But before you leave, there's one last thing worth sharing.
Our planet is in constant motion. It is constantly changing. And more than ever before, it's being changed by us.
At the same time, we feel, we know that something is not running the way it should.
Take a look around.
With you, the world is sitting in this room.
You all come from the most different places. And as different as you are, you all voted for the same beliefs and showed that you care. During your journey through the campus, you all voted for sustainability, responsibility.
You all have voted for a world worth living in. That's your dream, my dream. But we don't have to. Let's try a little experiment. As we think the same way, we can move the same way.
Look, you're not stuck any longer. Let's move together and inspire the people around us to move as well.
Move towards your beliefs to reach a better future.
And it takes you, and each and every one of you, to inspire, to connect, and to keep moving.